Hey, this is Paula with ROVI Homes. I'm here at CrossFit Ares. CrossFit Ares is a really great community. I come about 4 times a week, and I wanted to highlight this gym in the Wilmington community. So I do the 5:45 in the morning class. I come Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Saturdays at 8:30. Believe it or not, you see the same people over and over again in the same class, and so you automatically kind of gravitate towards your own community because you're who's going to get up at 5:45 in the morning to work out and sweat. It's all challenges, whether you're doing a rower, 500 meters, or you're trying to find a house. It's same concept. One thing I love about COVID, forced you to come face to face with yourself. It challenged me. I was first time away from my family ever in my life. So I had to find those challenges, those strengths that was within me to get through it. And CrossFit did help me do that. Hey, it's Paula, your local ROVI agent. Thank you for hanging out with me. So if you want to tour a house in the North Shore area, or if you want to check out the gym, whether you want to do the rower or you want to do some squats, hit me up. I'm always available. Appreciate you. Talk to you soon.